Alrighty, welcome to arm dancing. And today is a little interesting approach. We're having our hands and our shoulders most of the time and working your upper body, our shoulders, upper back, our deltoid, trapezius muscles, deltoid muscles, the scalenes, the chest. It's a real nice little workout today. I'm not doing a lot of talking. This song is actually one of my favorite songs. Kind of meaningful, kind of moves to the music. I hope you'll like it. It's a really great approach by Aethe. It's just a good song. So, ready? Here we go. Twist your body, twist shoulders, twist shoulders forward, backward, back and forward.
Traveled halfway across the world to see a sage.
Your
He
shoulders back
lived
and
like
forth.
such a poor man in this day and age. I said, where's your
Down.
leather couches? Where's your golden chandelier? Where's your walk-in closet for all the stuff you could wear?
And your shoulders.
Well, all you got's that suitcase, my friend, ain't that true? I said, yeah, but you know that I'm just passing through. And that's when he said, I'm just like you. I'm just passing through, just like you. My heart wants to feel something that's real, and my mind hopes to find treasures of another kind. And if you had my eyes, you'd see a
Real high.
palace for you and me. Although we've been forever living
Twist
in
your
this
body.
town,
Elbows forward, hands to your shoulders.
people say he never really settled down. They say, where's your leather couches? Where's your golden chandelier? Where's your walk-in closet
Forward again.
for all the stuff you could wear? The neighbors talk, but they don't understand. The things he's collecting you can't hold in your hand. Like he said, I'm just like you. I'm just passing through, just like you.
Elbows together. Bring them out.
My heart wants to feel something that's real, and my mind hopes to find treasures of another kind. And if you had my eyes, you'd see a palace for you and me. For you and me. I'm just like you. I'm just passing through, just like you. My heart wants to feel something that's real, and my mind hopes to find treasures of another kind. And if you had my eyes, you'd see a palace for you and me. And my heart wants to feel something that's
Give it a
real,
hug. Yeah, give it a hug.
and my mind
Hold it
hopes
around.
to
Yeah, you got
find
it. Nice hug.
treasures of another kind. And if you had my eyes, you'd see a palace for you and me. A palace for you and me.
Reach up. Yeah. And down. Beautiful.
So,
A good workout. Good workout. Upper shoulders, back, your chest, your neck, your trapezius muscles. Great little workout. Now, hot tip, digestive issues. Like a lot of gas after eating meals, protein or beans or a lot of carbohydrates. Some people get a lot of gas. If you take betaine HCl, betaine with HCl, hydrochloric acid, right before or at the very beginning of a meal, the acid in your stomach helps you digest it better and a lot less gas. Enjoy.